Okay, hello, UC and Evan. Thanks for your patience. And right now, I have changed a lot about the order flow to simplify the order flow for the user, both seller and buyer. Currently, our ordering is too complex because there is too many connection and states. But yeah, I'm trying my best, and this is what I came up with. Okay, so we have two section on the screen, on the left and on the right. On the left there will be a demo for a seller user, and I will demo the right side for the buyer. As you can also see on the left screen, the default language is Finnish language and the right is the default English language. It will detect on your browser on, or you can change anytime using the query parameters, or later we can create a change language or language selector. So let's start by register our stellar user. So I'm trying to use my email, and I will say this Ervan seller with some password. The password will need to validate the previous and the verification. Yep. So the user has been used. I'm trying to use another username, my one seller. The email has already been taken. I'm gonna change to Ervandra.com. Let's see. Okay, my seller has been created, and I can change my profile here. I can say my name fan seller. Yep, I have a phone number and amazing bio, and I have a address like Nordland and show residence. I can also change my pinpoint location into some place. Let me change. Okay, and save the profile. Oh yeah, I also need to add some image. Please bear with me. So as a seller, I will use these icons. So the validation is wrong when I don't put my photo there. I will uh, add more validation later. On this demo, I will focus on the order flow. Okay, and I'm going to save this profile. Yep. Okay, that's for the seller, and let's register a buyer. I'm going to use what kind of email? Yep, fund buyer. Buyer. Okay, let's register as a buyer, and I want to also change my profile here. Okay, first we need to allow to make the Google Maps working. Need to allow the location and try to refresh this one first. Yep, let's add some fun buyer, and I have phone number. Amazing bio. Pademangan. Let's try to use that, and we can change it somewhere. Yep, just put a lot, change a lot of the location, and we save. So yep, it's saved. Can still update my profile, and as a buyer I will see this widget right here, a section called my horse. As a seller I don't have the horse section. I have the button for the seller dashboard. So let me add my horse. There is a simple category here. We have two category, or for later we can change this into the horse breed to make it more specific for this application, in this case Luokki. But right now we have the animal or another category like vehicle. Okay, I want to add my horse pictures. Yep, I'm uploading a photo. When I already the photo, I can have a change photo. I can change the photo into another horse photo. Yep, I will give the name like Tiger. Yep, that's one horse, and I'm going back. I see my horse here. I can add more horse here. Let me add up to 3 horse. Let me name this Duke. Yep, and let's get back. We have 2 horses and another one. Let's see if I can change it into name Dale. Yep, okay, so we have 3 horse here. Yep, for the initial phase the horse only have the photo and the name. We can add the description and gallery later on the next phase. Okay, and I can go back to the home page. In here I can see there is a greeting. Hey fun buyer, what are you gonna do? And my profile picture if I have already add my profile picture. When I explore, I can explore a lot of service or products. I can load more. Default it will be no category filter, and we can filter based on the category like trim. Yep. So I want to add more new products for the seller user. Yep, in this seller dashboard we have 2 sections. One is for the orders, new orders, and also the other one is for the products that this seller or this user have. When I don't have any products, I will prompt with the button to add my first product. So I will use this thing to create the products. I will say this one is showing 101 with the price 200 and 300, and I will give a description. We'll take care your horse carefully. We love horses. And I can add the product pictures. Let me try to use this one. Let me change another things. Okay, let's try to use this picture first. This is a demo. By default, a product will be set as a disabled. It won't be shown anywhere here. When I filter basic showing, I don't see this product yet. As a seller, I can edit this product, or I can also set it for sale, on sale, or active. This is the status of the product, active or inactive. I can also delete this product, but I haven't implemented the delete action. and we need confirmation about the product can be deleted or not. And I can quickly put the product into sell or active here by clicking this switch here, or I can also update from this switch and update the products. Yep, so this product has been updated, and I should be seeing this product now here. Yeah, this is the one that newly created. Okay, and then as a buyer, I want to create another product here. Let's see, it's trim, and I can see it's brushing 101 with the price like 100 to 400. We of horses, we take care of your horses. And I can submit this product and put it on sell. When I go to trim, I can see browsing 101. Okay, and yep, you can also see there is also a lot more button. So we working on the pagination and it working great. And I want to find the news service, browsing 101. So when I try to, okay, let me smaller the screen. Yep, this is the mobile device design. On the desktop we'll need to tweak the design a bit so it won't be too large. Yep, let's get, this is the service name, browsing 101, and the service category, trim. We have the price 100 to 400 euros. We have description here, and we also have the provider. When the provider have the picture, the name, and the address, it will be shown here. Otherwise, it will be show whatever information available. If the user doesn't updates his legal names or the names, it will be shown the username instead. We cannot show nothing here. It should be something needs to be shown. Okay, as a buyer, I can request quotation or purchase this product. And when I made this quotation request, it will take into the order summary. So the buyer needs to review the request. So we have the product information, the picture, the name, the price, the category, and we can also see the details. Yep, we have the seller information as shown as we can see before on the previous screen, and we have the buyer information, in this case my user, and we can select a horse. Without select a horse, you can place the order. At least one horse should be selected here. Price also needs to be set with the minimal, or you can put below the minimal or more of the maximum price, like 100s, 100s, and I can select more horse of my horse here. I can select the dates, like let's try the Saturday, and let's make it into, yep, 11, no, 1 p.m. on Saturday, 6 February 2021, and I can write the notes, can you deliver this? I will need to negotiate my price like 100. Yep, this is a request quotation and confirmation step, and I can place the order. When I place the order, I will take into the order details. So right now we are currently on the stage of quotation. We are waiting for the seller to give updates whether the seller will confirm, will change the price, dates, or another notes, or seller can also cancel this order. I have a few details button, but I don't put any information. It will be open a modal with all the information. It will be added later. And we have the status here. This is new order, means that the buyer recently made this order. And I can also refresh the status here using the refresh button. Please wait a couple of seconds. I need to push this one. Add refresh function. Git push. Yep, it should be built. Let me try to log in. And we can see the status here. Yep, it's still building. Let's wait. Okay, basically this refresh button will refresh the status, so the user doesn't need to refresh the page. As a seller, I can refresh this page and see if there is new order. So this is a new order coming from the fund buyer. This is the dates that when is the order being made or created. And as a seller, I can see the seller wants to deliver this service on 6 February 2021 at 1 p.m. o'clock. And there is a status here, and this is the service or product's name. I can view the details, order details, and yep, I can see this one coming from the Ervandra buyer. Let me smaller my screen. Okay, this is good. As you can see, we have a similar user interface, but there is some different that the seller have dashboard. Okay, seller I can refresh also, and I can see the horse as a the target, the service or product target. And as a seller, I can confirm, change, or delete. So I want to change this one. I want to change into 400. The price is updated. Price change because you have 3 horse to be serviced. Okay, I changed the price because the user have more than one horse. And as a seller, I will also, let me refresh this one. Yep, deploy is published. Yep, I can refresh this one. Yeah, okay, refresh is working. And as a buyer, I can change the price is working. I want to negotiate into 360. Can you lower a bit into 360? Yep, okay. And as a buyer, I can as a seller, I will see the updates, the requests from the fund buyer, and I can confirm this one. When I confirm, I will see the items, the service, the product with the latest price 360 and when on the February 6th 2021. Yep, this is the buyer information, and I can write okay, good, will do, and confirm. When we want to confirm, the seller can refresh this page. Yep, there is a new information. Also, the seller also can refresh. When the order has been confirmed from the seller, buyer cannot change or cancel because the last negotiation made from the buyer. So buyer can confirm this one. Thanks. Confirm. So when you confirm and the delivery dates is not today or not in the past, we have the waiting for delivery status. It will be waiting until the 6th February. As a seller, I will also see the same status here, waiting for delivery. Yep, that's it. And the order summary also showing waiting for delivery. And as a buyer, I can see the state also coming into confirmation or complete and waiting for delivery. And when I go back into the order, I can also see the same. Yeah, that's all from the seller and the buyer. In the next video, I will also showing you how is the order can be completed. Currently, because the deliver dates is in the future and not in the past or today, right now, both seller and buyer cannot complete the order. When the product has been delivered, then seller can complete this order, and later the buyer can also complete. That makes the order done, and the transfer or funds can be transferred into the seller. Okay, thank you for everyone right now. We'll continue in the next video to showing you how an order can be complete. Thank you.